taking the exam on the 8th May. It is a global and a final prediction. And here, those who do not know me, I'm an ex-IELTS examiner and I do online coaching only, and with group and individual. There's a free link in for my community and also evaluation for your speaking and writing. I have my website www. So here I'm going to tell you some important questions related to GT and MIC, and even if you're given, we'll be telling you the level of the exams toward the end. And let's see the listening part first. In the listening, you will have the fill-ups and you have to write one word only, and it is going to be easy. So be very careful. So in part 1, there is going to be a map or matching the features. Again, it is going to be MCQs which are going to be long, and therefore it is going to be moderate. My tip is that you must practice at the speed of, I would suggest, at least 1.25. Okay, and same is with the note completion. In the part 4, you will have to write one word. Be very careful. Don't, even the article is another word. So if you write and something, it is 2 words. So you should be very careful with this. And it is going to be related to science. So overall, I'll tell you the level afterwards. Now, academic reading for passage 1, this is for sure 100%. True, false, not given. And this is 100%. Do it. Okay. And short questions. Though I think it is 80%. But this is 100%. And it is going to be comparatively easy. I'll tell you the overall afterwards. Passage 2, you will have list of headings, summary completion and MC. Be careful with the passage 2. You'll get the fill-ups, sentence completion. In passage 3, summary completion, yes, no and short answers. And for writing the GT task, you'll get a formal letter, and it could be a request or a complaint. So do these properly. In task 1, you could get a bar, pie or a table. But I think this was more possible, more likely. And remember, this is a prediction. And in task 2, agree, disagree, discuss both views and double question. And this is both for GT and the academic. And of course, I have my website. I have updated all the latest, cue cards and the topics and writing and even IELTS reading real exam questions. So these are some of the results. Please go to my Instagram page and you can see the results there. And these are the, results. And these are those who have questions that have come from my PDF. This is the writing. This is again writing. This is from my academic PDF. Again writing here. So now level. Please, it is 80%. It will depend upon your preparation. For listening, easy to moderate. So even if you have not prepared for the first part, then I would be sorry. So it is going to be easy. For academic reading, it is going to be moderate, especially the passage 3. And for GT reading, moderate, again the passage 3, you have to be careful. And it could be easy for you if it is, you have prepared well, then it is going to be easy. Then writing could be easy to moderate, again depending upon the various preparation levels and the topics and the vocabs. I have already put it in the post, and all you can go to the Instagram to search out the topics that are important. Yeah, my page is there, englishwithanittakundra.com. Yeah. So speaking academic part 1 topics important are work, study and hometown, and 1 to 35 which have been updated from May to August 2025 on my website. So they are updated, though the cover is not updated. You can go and buy there. This is the site. So the cover is not updated, but I have updated them. So cue cards 1 to 48 updated from May to August. You can buy from the shop section, and the follow-up questions related to these cue cards are also important. Thank you, and please share with someone who really wants it.